Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and this video is for the Elementor community, for the Elementor users. There's a guy named Barna and he has a website and you can find it over here, elementortemplatepack.com. I have also a link in the description. A really nice guy that is an amazing Elementor template maker. And you can download his templates for free. So if you want to make a website really quick without learning how to do everything yourself, then you can take a look at Elementor Template Pack. Ben Pines, the maker of Elementor, has also something to say about this and he's really excited. So let me show you what it contains. I click on download the full template pack. My first name is Ferdy and then I use estra@ferdycorpushook.com. Yes, send me the free full template pack and then I will download it probably. I can watch this video, so I suggest you do that. What you can do, you can scroll down and you can donate. Let's go to the email and here it is. Here we can download it, download the template pack. And there it goes. I go to my website, to the back end. Now we can go to Elementor, my library. I click on import templates. And here I unzip it. And you see a zip file, you see a JSON file. So I can import a lot of JSON files and templates at once, or I can upload them one by one. So I choose a file, I go to the Katka folder, and then we have, for instance, features. And I can import only one, and you see a JPEG file. So let me see. I go to downloads, features, and here I can see how it will look. I like this one. It's template 4. So I select Elementor template 4.json. I open it and I click on import now. Now I go to my website, template 1, edit the front page. I want to edit it with Elementor. I add a template over here, my templates, and there it is. I click on insert. I can also preview it and you'll see it looks like that. Insert, and there it is. Update, and I would like to take a look, and that looks really nice. And if I want to change a few things, I can do that. I can make it full width. So I say stretch the section, update. Now the section is stretched. I can change the text here. Hi there. So that's what you can do. And what you also can do, I click on the folder. I search for .jpg. Select this folder again. Now I can see all the images. So let me see what I want to have. I like this one. Elementor Contact Template 9. This is a Pro element, so you need Elementor Pro for it. So let me take a look at something else. This one. Content Template 16. Over here I scroll down, add templates, and I click over here. Select the file. And then I go to Katka. Content 16. Open. Insert. And there it is. And then you can change it. Update. And if you want to take a look at more templates, then you can go to elementor.ferdycorpushook.com. Those are my templates. And you can select them based on all three. So for instance, this page, I click over here. I scroll down, right mouse click, save as. And then I go to template 2, edit page, edit with Elementor, add template, upload, select files, go to downloads, contact page version 1, insert, and there you go. So that's how it works with templates. Take a look at elementortemplatepack.com and elementor.verticorpshook.com, and let's build beautiful templates for each other. Please like this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and then you will see me the next time. Bye bye.